Welcome to my channel Anything, where anything could happen. And today I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen on the OBS Studio. I recently downloaded and installed OBS Studio for my lectures. I give lectures, and after I installed it, right here, it became a black screen. It can't capture a screen. So I wondered why. I went to their websites to find a solution, and there was an instruction to follow to fix this, and I followed that instructions, but still it didn't work. So I wanted to reach out to you guys, for people who have this problem. I mean, I sat down here for like 3 hours trying to fix this black screen. This box is going to be black. If this screen is not black, then you're fine. It means it's recording. But this is for the ones that have a black screen here. So what you do to fix this is just go to your desktop and right click, and then click on the NVIDIA control, and then after you open the NVIDIA control, click on the manage 3D settings, and then it will lead you here, global settings. Click the program settings, this program settings. Then what you do is add the OBS Studio. You just click add right there, just like I showed you. Then you add the OBS Studio, then add it. So I already added it worked for me, so you just add it. Okay, then what you do now is you go to the second here, select the preferred graphics processor for this program, and then you click on it, and then you choose either the high performance NVIDIA processor or the integrated, the Intel processor or AMD processor, anything. In the website, in many videos that I've seen, what it says is that click the high performance NVIDIA processor, but when I did this, it didn't work. Automatically, it was in the use global settings, auto select. It was like this, but they say for me to click the high performance NVIDIA processor, and it didn't work. That's why I want to make this video for those of you who are confused. Following the instructions, it didn't work. So what you do is you choose the integrated graphics, then you just click apply. But if this doesn't work, then you click the high performance. It depends on the laptop. For some people it might work with the high performance NVIDIA processor, and for some people like mine, it may work with the integrated graphics, any graphics you have, maybe AMD, Intel in my case, and then just click apply. After you click apply, what you have to do is just open OBS Studio, and it will work. I assure you this will work, 100% working. If this works, make sure to subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much for watching.